Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing or unbagging of this prayer package I got from Born Pretty, and this was sent to me in March. I'm just getting it now, so I'm going to be opening it. I wanted to open it with you guys so you can see what's inside together. So I was told this is their new product from March. I don't know how that is. Okay, wow, okay, so as usual they will send you the regular gel polish products. So this is it. So I have 3 products from them this time around. That is gel polish. I have their, this is their glitters gel polish. I have their neon luminous gel. Then I have the luminous Macaron gel. Yes, I think I had this luminous Macaron before. I had one like purple color, and it glows in the dark. Yeah, that's what luminous means. It glows in the dark. So I had a purple. If you remember one tip I did, I had love, like a 3D love on it. Yeah, that's the one. The tip that I used glowed in the dark. So this is a Macaron luminous gel. I love the color. I don't have this color, none. I've never had this kind of color before. I'm so happy to have this color right now. Okay, so this I don't have to cut. I just open. This is another what? Another luminous neon. Okay. So guys, okay, it's bright. I forgot to switch on one of my lights. Oops, can you see this color? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And this color is beautiful on its own, and the fact that it glows again, I can't wait to use it. Honestly, I cannot wait to use it to create a set. Okay, so I need to get me a model to work with. So this is a regular gel polish, BP 139. Can you see? So I think I have the perfect blue color to match with this from their series as well. You know, this is a beautiful blue glitters gel polish. I love it. I've never had any blue glitter gel polish like that. So now we go to this. This is the first time I'll be getting a drawing gel, and that from Born Pretty. Let's see what this looks like. I'm so happy I have a drawing gel at last. So people have been asking me like, what gel do I use to draw? And I tell them I just use the regular gel polish to draw. Now I have a drawing gel to myself. Okay, so okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to open it to see what's inside. Okay, whoops. Okay, aha. I think I've made a mess of the whole thing. See, isn't this beautiful? Yes, I've got myself a drawing gel, so I cannot wait to use this. Wow. Okay, so what color is this? It looks like metallic, what would I call it? Rose gold. Yeah, looks like rose gold to me. Then we have this one as well. This is this reflective sequins gel. This is not a drawing gel. So let's open this to see what's inside as well. So I think I need to clean my scissors. Oops. Wow. Okay, I think I came out with one kind of big chunky glitters. So this color seems to be giving me like the glitter that you can use to do the mermaid design. So ouch, 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 I almost called myself. Yes, I said it. Can you say it? I got this beautiful reflective glitter gel. Can you see it's giving me the mermaid, bluish mermaid vibes? You can use to create a set like that. It's lovely. I love the colors they sent to me. I need to take all this off. So I'm going to cover this and take it off when I'm done. So guys, just wait and see what I create with this beautiful set. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me these lovely gel polish products. I love them. I appreciate you guys. Let me bring it closer so you can see it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. I'm sure I'm going to do a beautiful set with this, guys. So watch out for the beautiful set I'm going to create with this. Hey guys, so I'm going to be creating a beautiful set with this Luminous neon gel polish that I got as part of the PR package. I actually wanted to create something with the blue color stuff and the sequin gel polish, but I got the opportunity to use this one, so let me just do this. So I'm still going to create another beautiful set with the blue glitters and the sequin gel that looks like a mermaid glitters. Okay, so I'm going to be doing like a crocodile or a croc design on the set, but this I'm just going to do using the neon green to create a croc design on the nail without the background color. She wanted a see-through background, and that is what I'm going to give to her. So I'm going to do this on all the 10 fingers. But I'm not going to be showing you guys working on all the 10 fingers so that the video will not be too long. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. I hope to resume to uploading twice a week very soon. I'm actually done with what I was doing, so I'll resume posting back 2 times in a week, so very soon. So you will notice I'm applying a particular kind of gel polish before I put the neon green. So that is a watercolor gel polish I got from Born Pretty as well as a PR package. So I'm just combining with this one to create the set that I want to create. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So this video is not so long, it's just about 11 minutes. So kindly watch till the end, as this helps my analytics. Thank you very much, guys. So this particular client actually brought a design that I should recreate. I wish I had taken a picture so that I would put it on the screen so you guys will see it and see how I fared. But unfortunately, I did not do that. So I'm kind of recreating the sets that she brought. So I'm still going to be adding what they call it, crystals on each finger for her. So this is what we have at the end of the day. So I'm going to be applying the top coat care for 120 seconds before I start placing the crystals. So I'll be using my regular nail glue to attach the crystals. I have noticed that this particular nail glue is very strong, and it allows the crystals to stay for a very long time. So that's just that. I'm just trying to keep that in place so it doesn't move around anymore. So I wish I had a brush on glue, so I just have to put the little one that I want, but fortunately I don't have. I did not even think of using another brush to apply it, or the tip of this crystal picker that I'm using. So thank you guys for watching to this moment. Thank you guys, I really appreciate your support. So I'll talk to you again in my next video. Till then, guys, bye and stay blessed.
Wavy. On and on. It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I'm